Welcome to our science class. Today we'll be starting with the revision. You all are back from your vacations. Hope that you all are healthy. You have enjoyed a lot in your holidays. Now it's time to work hard, to practice, to revise. So we'll be starting with our chapter number 1. Students, from 1st July to the 17th July, we'll be doing the revision of the science, whatever we have done from 30th March to the 16th June. We'll be revising that all. So we'll be starting with our chapter number 1, that is food, our basic need. What is food? All living things need food. Food helps us to grow and stay alive. Food, it gives you energy to work and play. Now, nutrients. What are nutrients? Nutrients help our body to grow and stay healthy. The nutrients which are present in the food item are of the following type, that is carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals. This all, they are the types of the nutrients. Now carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is present in which food item? Bread, idli, sugar. This contains carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, it is also known as the energy giving food. Next it comes the protein. Protein, it is present in the food item like egg, meat, fish and curd. Protein, it is known as the body building food. Next comes the fats. Fats, it is present in the oil and ghee. Fats, they are known as the energy giving food. Both the carbohydrate and fats, they are the energy giving food. But fats, it give you more energy as compared to the carbohydrate. Next category comes the vitamins. Vitamins, it is present in the fruits and vegetables. Vitamins, these are known as the protective food. And the last category, it is the minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Minerals, what are the examples of the minerals? Calcium, iodine, sodium and iron. These minerals, these are the example. Now calcium, it is present in all the dairy product which you eat, which you get from the animals like the milk, curd, cheese, paneer. This all, it contain calcium. They are the rich source of the calcium. Iron, it is present in all green leafy vegetable. All the green leafy vegetable, it contains iron. Next it comes the water and roughage. Water, you all know water. Without water also we can't survive. Water is an essential for our body to stay healthy and function properly. Water and roughage. Now water, at least 6 to 8 glass of water every day we should consume. What is roughage? Roughage, it is the fiber. What is roughage? It is the fiber which is present in the food. Roughage is the fiber which is present in our food. It helps in the digestion of the food and it helps to remove the undigested food from your body. Roughage, it is important for proper functioning of our digestive system. Roughage, it is present in the raw. Raw means which is not cooked, like the salad. This all, it contains the roughage. The fruits, vegetables, brown rice. These are the rich source of the roughage. Next it comes the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet which contain all the nutrients. What were the nutrients? Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins. Okay, so balanced diet, it contain all the nutrients. The next we have discussed about the preservation of food. Preservation of food. What is the word preservation? It means preservation means to prevent food items from getting spoiled. So we need to preserve the food item. What are the different methods of preservation? Like in your home you are having refrigerator, you used to keep milk, curd, fruits, vegetables inside it so they remain fresh for a longer period of time. The jam, the sauce, this all they are also preserved. In that the preservative they are added. That process it is known as the canning and bottling. So that's all for today's class. We have revised chapter number 1. We have revised nutrients, different types, carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals, water and roughage, what is balanced diet and how do we preserve the food. So students, I will be giving you worksheet first which will be based on this chapter number 1. So you will be doing the worksheet in your classwork copy. If you are having any doubts, you are free to ask it. That's all for today's class. Thank you.